Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can claim the code items on Dress to Impress. So you're just going to go in the section, enter your code here, and then claim it. So the new ones that we have on the update is just, hold on, let me go to the actual code section. This Ella skirt. This one you cannot claim anymore. These ones you can't, and there are still some that you can claim, like this one and this one and this one. I will put all the working codes again in the description box down below so that you guys can claim it. Also, in the new style showdown update, you'll have, well, you don't have actually a lot of new stuff, new items in VIP. It's still the same from just the Valentine's update. But I will again put all of the codes that you can claim. Here I'll show you what the Ella skirt looks like. There are a few toggles on it. Okay, let me just remove some of the items that I have on so you guys can see the skirt. Alright, so this is the long version, short, and you can have it with ribbons or without ribbons. I really like the skirt, but I rarely use a lot of items that are in the dressing rooms. I just sometimes forget about them, but they're still really good. If you don't have VIP and you want more items, you can claim these items for free. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.